Pasteurize milk without any hassle with just a scan in Wi-Fi enabled LG Scan to Cook Charcoal Microwave Oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select pasteurized milk 25 degrees Celsius from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app. Follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. Pour milk in the milk pasteurization kit. Cover it with lid and close it so that it is shut tight. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app. Now place the kit in microwave oven. Press start. Now pasteurizing milk has become not only convenient but hassle-free thanks to LG Scan to Cook Charcoal Microwave Oven. Follow these simple steps to operate the LG Scan to Cook Microwave Oven.